This is the cobra lily, Arisaema. We have a couple of plants I had planted in my garden collection, and this one is about 3 years old. Now I'm able to do detailed observation because it is in my backyard. Now this one, the flowering, at least as far as Bangalore is concerned, it's not the traditional area of this species. It likes more rain, but maybe it was there in Bangalore also earlier era, I don't know, because many things in Bangalore, Western Ghats species, quite a few are occurring here and there. So that is one thing. So from here the new stem will emerge. That is after the monsoon little bit settled, though it didn't rain much here, it emerges later than the Amorphophallus species. About 1 month after Amorphophallus, this Arisaema will emerge, and from the base about 1 inch above, the stalk comes up, flowering stalk, and then after a while you'll notice that some little line is there here. So that vertical line extends upwards all the way till there. So next what is going to happen is one stem will emerge from here, from this part. It's just starting now. So stem will emerge, and then second stem will emerge from here, and then it will come out like this, sideways like this. So whereas Amorphophallus only single stem will be there, this Arisaema has 2 stems will emerge, one more will emerge, and then in between one more will emerge from which the flower will come out. So the first stage is this much will turn up, this much will grow, and then the first stem will come out. And for about 20 days growth will be there. After that this stem will open up, and this leaves also will be curled up in the beginning, later they will open up, that one. So leaf shape also is quite different from Amorphophallus. Though superficially they look alike, if you observe closely, there are quite a big differences are there. One of them is the leaf shape itself, and then that main body of the plant, this stem, and then also the branching character, that second stem will emerge from here, and flower also will come from the same thing. So that is quite a big difference between Amorphophallus and this Arisaema. Now you can see the slight opening started. I think in 3 to 4 days the stem will emerge. So I will cover that after in a few days time. And it has some very interesting reproductive nature and all, which I encourage people to do research on internet and find out. Botanical name is called Arisaema, and Karnataka has some 5 or 10 Arisaema species are there in different parts of our Karnataka Western Ghats, and this is one of them. Western Ghats means this one I found in Malnad region next to our farm, little bit neglected area it was growing, so I collected one. So in farm borders you can find it. People ask me many times, where did they want to see this cobra lily. So if you want to find it, you can go in Malnad area and also in Dakshina Kannada, in the west coastal region, and the borders of farms and all where they don't dig, only you will find it, because this one has a tuber underneath, one round corm is there, and if agriculture is done and you dig it, next generation cannot come. If you leave it, if there is no cultivation, digging and all, this one finally seed will emerge, and the seeds will be dispersed by birds. Color yellow seeds are there that birds will eat, and then drop it here and there, and you get these little babies of this one. So wherever digging is there, the babies will be only this much, 1 inch tall first year, 1 inch to 2 inch. That also I'll do another video now and show. So this much big plants and all, if you dig it, that's the end of the story. For years together it should be left alone, then it can become nice and big plant, and it will form a community actually. And then it lasts for years together. This one, if you get the plant is there 20 years, 30 years and all, it leaves ripe old age. Then one more thing, interesting side story is, now that our soil has really healed, this Shatavari seedlings are showing up in hundreds all over the garden. This one is this year's plant, small one. So that's a bit about it. And this is one more globe also, unidentified globe, which has non-showy flowers. So therefore of no commercial interest, only botanical interest.